सांडियागो में 18 मई को पेश आने वाले अफसोसनाक वाक़े के बाद मकामी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी शदीद सदमे और गम की कैफियत से दोचार है। इस मुश्किल वक्त में ICNA रिलीफ पहले रोज से ही मुतासरा खानदानों और कम्युनिटी के साथ मौजूद है और मुसलसल इमदादी, समाजी और नफसियाती मुआवनत फराहम की जा रही है। ICNA रिलीफ के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर अब्दुल रऊफ खान और चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर अलीमुद्दीन ने इस्लामिक सेंटर सान दिएगो ICSD का दौरा किया। दौरे के दौरान उन्होंने मकामी टीम और कम्युनिटी रहनुमाओं से मुलाकात की और जारी रिलीफ सरगर्मियों का तफसीली जायजा लिया। वफ्द ने इमाम शेख ताहा से भी मुलाकात की और सानहे में जाबहक अफराद के अहले खाना से इजहार ताज़ियत करते हुए मुकम्मल यकजहती का इजहार किया।
bring the condolence from all over the country and especially from Islamic Circle North America leadership. And we want to first meet you and see what we can do to help. And please share your, this very challenging time. How can we help? And
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. First of all, jazakumullah khair for taking the time and coming to San Diego, to the Islamic Center of San Diego, visiting us to offer the condolences, but also to offer any type of help or support. And I can tell you that ICNA is already on the ground here. We are working together. We have been working together from, right after the terrorist attack that took place in this place on May the 18th. And we are working with ICNA Southern California and ICNA San Diego as well. But definitely I will let you know if in the near future, if anything is needed and ICNA can provide to my community here. But at this moment, alhamdulillah, we are so grateful, alhamdulillah, that many organizations, including ICNA, providing support and providing assistance to the community. Jazakumullah khair and barakallahu fikum for this visit.
So we have some counseling session started from day one. Alhamdulillah, our team is on the ground. We have counseling session today, 2 weeks ago, and we'll be continuing meeting the masajid, and inshallah today we'll be meeting the community members and the people, those who are affected, inshallah.
Yes.
We'll keep you posted.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fikum, jazakumullah khair.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jamila Gransa. I am the ICNA Relief Area Manager for San Diego chapter. We are here in San Diego for the last 7 years. And by far, we are supporting families between 500 to 2,000 families every month. Through our food pantry, hunger preventions, we distributed thousands of food. On last Saturday, we distributed 3,500 udiyah meat to community members that in El Cajon areas. And also we have the only Muslims domestic violence shelters here in San Diego. And then we also have refugee services, which we deliver services to our refugees families that newly arrived in San Diego. Also, we distributed 1,000 backpacks every year in collaborations with San Diego district. And we are here. Unfortunately, during the calamity, during the tragedies, my heart is broken, just like the community, and we are healing together. And as Sister Diana's spearheading the mental wellness for the families, and mashallah, alhamdulillah, we are on the ground with you. We are healing together. We are with you all the way until we are strong again as a community.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dina Hilmi, and alhamdulillah, we have had the opportunity to come out and support the Islamic Center of San Diego. Alhamdulillah, ICNA Relief, along with several other organizations that have therapists and individuals who are specialized in being able to provide healing circles and just a place for the families to come and to process some of the grief that took place. As we know, unfortunately, the site was the target of a terrorist attack, and the community has been impacted. And one of the beautiful things about our community is that we come together in times like this. And so ICNA Relief, alhamdulillah, like I said, has had the opportunity to come and to participate in some of the psycho-spiritual talks. So we were out here 3 weeks ago. We provided part 1 to the community. We had several speakers do psycho-spiritual talks, and then we broke out in healing circles, and we had activities for the children. And so today, alhamdulillah, we've been blessed with part 2 for this, and so we're continuing with the support. You know, several of us are out here just offering counseling services to any of the family members who need it, and we will continue to look for ways that we can support the community in moving beyond and getting stronger. And that's one thing that we know is possible when we come together and support one another, is that we will come out of this stronger than we were before going into it, inshallah. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on the souls of our 3 martyrs, strengthen their families, give them patience, and let them know wholeheartedly that inshallah they will be promised Jannah, reunited with their loved ones in Jannat al-Firdaus. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala heal the community and just envelop the community in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy and compassion, and allow us all to come together in this process, inshallah.
ICNA रिलीफ की क़यादत ने सांडियागो की मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के हौसले, इत्तेहाद और साबित कदमी को सराहते हुए कहा कि तमाम तर दुख और मुश्किलात के बावजूद कम्युनिटी ने जिस सब्र और यकजहती का मुजाहिरा किया है वो काबिल तहसीन है। इदारे ने इस अज़्म का इयादा किया कि मुतासिरा ख़ानदानों की हर मुमकिन मदद जारी रखी जाएगी।